In this video lesson, we shall run titration between potassium permanganate and H₂SO₄ in acidic medium. Watch closely because this experiment is a favorite in chemistry practical examinations. Using a sensitive weighing balance, accurately weigh 3.8 grams of H₂SO₄. Ensure the measurement is precise because accurate result begins with accurate preparation. Transfer the weighed H₂SO₄ into a clean beaker or volumetric flask. Add 250 cm³ of distilled water to the H₂SO₄ in the beaker. Stir continuously until all the crystal dissolve completely. Next, using a weighing balance, accurately weigh 0.8 grams of potassium permanganate. Carefully transfer the weighed potassium permanganate into another clean container. Add exactly 250 cm³ of distilled water. Stir thoroughly until purple potassium permanganate dissolves uniformly. This solution will act as both the titrant and the indicator during the experiment. Rinse the burette with small portion of potassium permanganate to prevent dilution errors. Fill the burette with prepared solution of potassium permanganate. Using a pipette, transfer exactly 25 cm³ of H₂SO₄ into a clean conical flask. Do not force the last drop out of the pipette to deliver the correct volume. Now add 10 cm³ of dilute sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid creates the acidic medium required for redox reaction to occur efficiently. Start by adding potassium permanganate from the burette into the acidified H₂SO₄ while swirling the conical flask gently. Note that each drop of potassium permanganate disappears immediately. This happens because permanganate ions are oxidizing ion 2 ion into ion 3 ion. This titration is self-indicating, meaning no external indicator is required. Record the final burette reading accurately. Watch carefully for the appearance of very faint permanent pink color. The endpoint is reached when the pale pink color persists for at least 30 seconds. Excellent work! You have successfully completed a redox titration between potassium permanganate and H₂SO₄ in acidic medium. Repeat the experiment 2 more times to improve reliability and precision. These values are concordant because they differ by less than 0.10 cm³. If you enjoyed this practical lesson, like, share, and subscribe to Organotope Chem Clinic for more chemistry practicals and tutorials. See you in the next experiment.